Hi everyone, this is Graham Bynum with Uptown 101 Houston. Hey, we're doing a 60-second walkthrough of the lane at Waterway. This is their A2 one bedroom, and I've already walked into it, and I want you to see it. Isn't this just pretty? I have no problem talking, but I'm gonna try to limit it because I just want you to see just the beauty of this beautiful apartment. This is very recently built. Look at these cabinets. Aren't these just gorgeous? This kitchen is huge. It's huge. It's one of the biggest kitchens I've seen, kind of under 800 square feet. They did the design so that the kitchen would just pretty much be massive. So you can see even this beautiful island. Isn't that gorgeous? So you're going to have this kind of environment. So what this does for you is it creates just an easy way to have fun, to have parties over. You can have all sorts of things happening. Everybody's going to want to come to your apartment because it's just so fun to be around. You have some music playing. You put the TV on one of the games, or Houston games or whatever. Man, you've got just a wonderful place here, and it's just waiting for you. It's got gas. This is perfect for cooking. All the things you need to do to have just make a great impression and just to enjoy company with friends. You've also got a beautiful area over here to just relax as well, with a balcony and views of this wonderful area, which is the Woodlands. Hey, if you'd like more information about this residence, reach out to us. We're 100% free service, and what we do is we save you many hours, days, and months of time in your search. We'll help you find the perfect residence in Houston. We'll easily compare options for you based on what you need. We'll set up tours if you need, and we'll make the process smooth and easy so that your stress goes away. So reach out to us, uptown101houston.com/search, uptown101houston.com/search. Can't wait to hear from you soon. Bye.